Hi.
Hello, everybody. Today we have with us Ritvik and Shreya, who are going to play Radhe and Tamanna in the upcoming web series Bandish Bandits. Welcome, guys.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank you for having us. Thank you so much.
So, ये कुछ नया हिसाब होने वाला है क्योंकि एक नई वेब सीरीज बहुत बड़े एक लॉकडाउन के बाद रिलीज होने जा रही है, तो क्या कुछ नया ऑफर करने वाले हैं?
तो हमारा जो शो बंदिश बैंडिट्स है वो इज कमिंग टू योर स्क्रीन्स ऑन 4th अगस्त और हमारा यही होप है कि हम आपको एंटरटेन कर सके. वी आर ऑल गोइंग थ्रू अ रियली डिफिकल्ट टाइम और हमारा जो शो है वो काफी नया है इन टर्म्स ऑफ फक ब्राइट है. इट इज अ म्यूजिकल लव स्टोरी. इट्स अ लव स्टोरी एंटरट्वाइंड विद म्यूजिक. तो हमारी यही आशा है कि आप सब इसे देख के एंटरटेन हुए, आप सबके साथ देखें, लाइक विद योर फ्रेंड्स, विद योर फैमिली, and yeah, I hope we can just bring a smile to your face.
Amazing. What's your take, Ritvik, on this?
No, there's so many things to look forward to. As an audience, I'm also very excited to watch this show. Firstly, do you like good music? There's Shankar Ehsaan Loy's music, and not just like 5 or 6 songs. There's an obscene number of songs in an entire album made for this show. Do you like romantic stories? Bandish Bandits is a love saga. Do you like comedy? There are hilarious scenes in this show. There are actors like Kunal Roy Kapoor, Rahul Kumar pulling off some brilliant characters. Do you like good acting? Do you like the stalwarts and the legends of acting? We've got Nasiruddin Shah, we've got Atul Kulkarni, we've got Rajesh Tela, we've got Shiva Chadda, Amit Mistry, and what not. You know, do you like exotic places? We've shot in Rajasthan. It's the most beautiful palette ever. And are you looking forward to watching new people work hard? Then there's Shreya and me. Then please go ahead and watch it. There's a list of things that people can look forward to watching this show.
I mean, this was a complete package, and you were the best salesman I would have ever met. You offered like everything, you know. And wonderful, wonderful. Okay, like, but this question arises in my head. To you, Ritvik, first, that how do you connect the role of Radhe with your own life?
So initially, पता है, it was very difficult for me to understand Radhe क्योंकि मैं बॉम्बे में पैदा हुआ हूँ, बैंगलोर में पला बड़ा हूँ और अभी इस वक्त बॉम्बे में हूँ, यहाँ काम करता हूँ, अपनी फैमिली के साथ ही रहता हूँ. एक कैथलिक स्कूल में मैंने अपनी पढ़ाई खत्म की और तो मतलब for me to understand Radhe was very difficult initially कि ये बंदा what world does he come from? You know, why does he think the way he thinks or says the things he says? But एक बहुत ही important advice जो है Mr. Anand Tiwari gave me. He said, "Hey Ritvik, instead of questioning him, try and find answers in your life. Why do you do the things you do? Why do you say the things that you say? Why do you have the kind of love you have for acting? Why did you choose this? Why are you so crazy about it? Add all of those answers to Radhe's life and see what you find." And I found an entire world for myself. तो राधे और ऋत्विक जितने ही अलग है, मैंने काम करते करते ये समझा और स्क्रिप्ट को पढ़ते पढ़ते ये समझा कि राधे मुझसे अलग नहीं है, वो मेरा ही एक हिस्सा है और ऋत्विक राधे का ही एक हिस्सा है. और आज मैं बड़े गर्व से कह सकता हूँ कि today I can say that I have imbibed a lot of good qualities from that boy. I used to be annoyed by the boy, used to confuse me. Today has become like a guiding to fall back upon. You know, it's got some great qualities, that boy, and hopefully I'll keep those qualities with me for the rest of my life.
Wow, wonderful. Shreya, over to you. The same question.
So I play the character of Tamanna Sharma, and मैंने जब पहली बार स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी तो I felt कि तमन्ना and Shreya very different. काफी डिफरेंस है हम दोनों में एंड बहुत सारी चीजें आई वुड कीप आस्किंग आनंद जो हमारे डायरेक्टर है कि वो ऐसे क्यों कर रही है, वो ऐसे क्यों रिएक्ट कर रही है. एंड ही जस्ट टोल्ड मी, ही गिव मी आल्सो वन पीस ऑफ एडवाइस. ही सेड, श्रेया, यू हैव टू बी योर कैरेक्टर्स डिफेंस लॉयर. तो आप जो भी कर रहे हो वो अटमोस्ट कन्विक्शन के साथ करो. सो आई जस्ट स्टॉप क्वेश्चनिंग. मैंने वो सारे जो थॉट्स हैं कि ये तो अलग है, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल तमन्ना इज अ वेरी स्ट्रेन्ड रिलेशनशिप विद हर मदर और जो श्रेया है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा क्लोज है अपनी मॉम से. तो ये ऐसे बहुत सारी एग्जाम्पल्स थी अलग अलग जो थे. सो आफ्टर दैट मैंने आई स्टॉप ऑल ऑफ दोज थॉट्स एंड देन आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड बीइंग तमन्ना, स्पेशली बिटवीन एक्शन एंड कट. एंड as Shreya, I started picking up qualities from तमन्ना, क्योंकि 75 days के लिए हमने शूट किया है तो काफी ऐसी चीजें थी जो I started enjoying playing as Tamanna क्योंकि हम अलग थे, so it was very interesting कि मैं जाके I was getting to be this other person. Tamanna is extremely self-assured. She knows exactly what she wants from her life. उसका एक goal है and she's a go-getter. She will reach her goal. वो बहुत hard working है. She doesn't take anything for granted. She is somebody who really enjoys performing for an audience. तो उसके लिए she comes alive when she's performing for people. और ये जो सारी qualities थी, उसकी confidence level जो है, she's always confident, she's always well turned out. क्योंकि she knows she has a responsibility to make her fans, her well-wishers, people who enjoy her music, to keep them happy. And she's here to serve them. तो ये सारी जो चीजें थी, just while playing it, instead of thinking कि अच्छा ये तो अलग है, ये तो मेरी तरह नहीं है, I just started enjoying being those things. So yeah.
Wonderful to know. But you know, the question arises कि राधे and तमन्ना, इन दोनों को कितना मजा आया, क्योंकि आपके साथ जो कास्ट थी वो, as you mentioned the names like Naseeruddin Shah, कैसा महसूस हो रहा था?
In fact, पहली बार जब मैंने सुना that I'm going to be a part of a show with such an amazing cast, I was very excited. Nervousness से पहले मैं बहुत excited थी कि मुझे ये मौका मिल रहा था to be with actors like these. Slowly, of course, जब भी workshops चालू हो गया, I started getting a little nervous. And I only realized जब भी मैं set पहुंची कि these are just preconceived notions उनके बारे में, कि वो बहुत ही intimidating है, बहुत disciplinarian है. Yes, they are very disciplined, but it's not the people that they are. They are like that for their craft. कि जब वो set पे आते हैं, you feel like bringing your A game on, क्योंकि they are there giving their 100%. तो उसके वजह से, it's not because they are not warm people, they are extremely warm people. In fact, मेरी बहुत interaction रही उन सब के साथ, और हम लोग randomly बातें करते थे about the show, about the scene, about the characters, about different ये फिल्म आपने देखी, ये शो आपने देखी, या क्या चल रहा है न्यूज़ के बारे में, वगैरह वगैरह, just random things. So it was so welcoming to see legends like them who are so good at what they do, be so down to earth, and just come together to make a great show. सबका aim एक ही था, just to do a good job and make a great show. तो ये नहीं था कि मैं आके सिर्फ अपना काम करके चला जाऊंगा. There was a lot of उनके तरफ से there was a lot of things like, do you need help with this with this particular scene, do you want to do lines? They were so welcoming and so forthcoming that it was very lovely to see legends like this behave the way they are. And it was a real realization ki, this is what makes them. It's their dedication towards their work, and just the fact that they have their eyes set on making a good project.
Okay, over to you, Ritwik.
मैं तो कहता हूँ ये सवाल ना उनसे पूछिए आप कि हमारे साथ काम करके कैसा लगा, क्योंकि हम तो यही कहेंगे कि we are so blessed, we are so fortunate that we got this opportunity to work with them. कि मतलब I don't know how to explain this to you. I can't articulate it in words what it feels like to be sharing a frame with people who you've been watching from years. While you were watching them on screen as an audience, you were wondering ki, how good are they? Will I ever get to work with them someday? And here I am. All the names on my list, they've been ticked one after the other. And it was the most, it will be very obvious if I say it was a learning experience. It was obviously a learning experience, but it was not the only kind of learning. Acting was not the only kind of learning. ऐसा नहीं था कि सिर्फ उनको परफॉर्म करते हुए देख के मैंने सीख लिया कि एक्टिंग कैसे करते हैं या अच्छी एक्टिंग किसको कहते हैं. ऐसा हुआ कि हमने ये जो 70-80 दिन एक साथ गुजारे एज अ टीम, एज अ फैमिली, आई रियलाइज, एज श्रेया सेड, व्हाट मेक्स देम अ गुड performer and actor is the kind of people they are off screen. They are so giving. मतलब नसीर सर का जो core है ना, his center is that of a teacher, is that of a guide, is that of a supporter, is that of a friend who wants to be there for you. And it was so overwhelming for both of us to just be there and to tell us. जब हम काम कर रहे होते उस वक्त दिमाग में ये सारी बातें नहीं आती क्योंकि हम काम कर रहे हैं. We're all co-actors and we're constantly helping each other and working. But एक बार दिन खत्म हो जाता है ना, जब पैकअप हो जाता है, that while you're driving back home or to the hotel, is when you start thinking, Nafisa did not have to take out that 30 minutes of his time and come to me and help me with my scene. He didn't have to, but he did it for me. तो ये सारी चीजें मैंने इनसे सीखी, इन सबसे सीखी है. Shiva ma'am, Rajesh sir, all of them, Amit sir, they were so good with us. Hopefully, if I continue working for a couple of decades more, and I will hopefully one day also be as warm and as much of a team player as they are till date.
Wonderful. Even I would want to know that आपका इस सीरीज में कास्टिंग हुआ है या फिर आपने ऑडिशन दिया है?
मैंने तो सर मैंने बड़े पापड़ बेले. नहीं. So I've been तो Casting Bay जो है, Casting Bay is a company run by Anmol Ahuja and Abhishek Banerjee. तो Casting Bay ने हमें कॉल किया था. So they called us one day and they said कि Shankar Ehsaan Loy musical for Amazon Prime Video. We like to test for it. Yeah, of course. But obviously, who wouldn't want to test for it? And then we landed up in Silence's office. Silence is a company run by Anand Tiwari and Amrit Pal. तो उनके ऑफिस में गए, वहाँ पे हमने ऑडिशन किया. तो 4-5 राउंड ऑडिशन हुए और उसके बाद जाके रोल हमें मिला. कॉस्ट्यूम ट्रायल्स हुए, लुक ट्रायल्स हुए, बहुत कुछ हुआ. देयर वाज अ प्रॉपर प्रोसेस जिसके थ्रू सिलेक्शन हो रहे थे. तकरीबन कुछ 150 लड़कों ने और 200 लड़कियों ने ऑडिशन किया था शो. एंड वी आर वेरी फॉर्चुनेट दैट 2 of us landed it. But Shreya's story of auditioning is much more interesting because मैं तो काफी लास्ट मिनट आया, 1-2 हफ्ते में ऑडिशन किया ना, साइन द शो. बट you had a very nice story. What was your story?
Yeah, in fact, I met Anand at a production house. हम दोनों एक ad कर रहे थे साथ में of the same campaign, and हमारी भी fittings ही थी उस वक्त. And I remember seeing him, and I'm a very big fan of Anand Tiwari, the director, Anand Tiwari, the actor. So मैं जाके I gathered like some confidence and I went up to him and I said, I'm a very big fan of your work. And he said, oh, thank you. And he was very sweet about it. And I went back home and I told my parents that, I met Anand Tiwari today and I hope I get to work with him one day. Cut to in a month's time, Casting Bay had started auditions for this show, Bandish Bandits. And they gave us the information ki Shankar Ehsaan Loy, Amazon Prime original, musical, love story, Anand Tiwari is directing. So it was very interesting that I was getting to audition for this. I went through 3 rounds of auditions और उसके बाद there was a final 4th round where we had to meet Anand. Now I thought it would be the normal audition जैसे होता है, आप जाके एक वापस से कोई कैमरा पे बैठ के आपका सीन लेता है, there's somebody giving you cues, but this was not the same. मैं गई वहाँ पे, he kept an entire morning of exercises, acting exercises, theatre exercises, and then after lunch उन्होंने हमें pair कर दिया with different people और हमें scenes दे दिए. And he gave us all alone time and he sat with us, took us through the scene, took us through the character, and it was just an amazing experience. और उसके बाद I remember telling Anand कि I don't know what the result of this show is going to be, but I've had an amazing day just doing this. And then I realized once I got the part, 2-3 दिनों के बाद I got a call saying कि आपको ये part मिल गया है. I realized that 75 days of shoot was exactly like that day of like audition workshop that I had. Just that day multiplied into 75. So it was very, very exciting. And it was just amazing to that entire process, the entire journey just felt very lovely that I was finally getting to work with somebody I wanted to. And like he said, Casting Bay, Abhishek and Anmol cast us for this.
Wonderful. Okay. As you guys had mentioned like earlier as well, and abhi just bhi aapne mention kiya 75 days of shoot. तो ये लॉकडाउन के पहले हुआ है, लॉकडाउन के दरमियान हुआ है, कब हुआ है
ये पिछले साल
बहुत पहले
हम लोग पिछले साल बॉम्बे और राजस्थान में हमने शूटिंग लकीली खत्म कर दी थी. सो पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन का काम भी जो है आई थिंक मोस्टली वो लॉकडाउन के पहले सब खत्म हो गई थी. सो वी वर वेरी लकी इन दैट सेंस कि हमारा काम सब खत्म हो गया.
हम बस एक ही चीज नहीं कर पाए लॉकडाउन की वजह से कि साथ मिलके हमने शो नहीं देखा अभी तक. हम भी शो उसी वक्त देखेंगे जब पूरी दुनिया देखेगी.
ओके, जाते आप लोग तो क्या कुछ मैसेज देते जाएं? जाते
हम बस ये कहना चाहेंगे कि 4th अगस्त प्लीज याद रखिए, 4th अगस्त को बंदिश बैंडिट्स इज रिलीजिंग ऑन द Amazon Prime Video एंड प्लीज देखिएगा जरूर. बहुत मेहनत की है हमने और पसंद आए तो प्यार भी दीजिएगा. Please go watch Bandish Bandits.
All right, thank you. It was pleasure, guys. Thank you for being on TeleChuck.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us. Thank you so much.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to TeleChuckers YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.